guys, it's McCurl. I'm here today with a styling video. So I decided to install spring twist on my hair for the very first time. And I really love the way it came out. So I of course recorded it, and now I'm going to show you guys how I installed them. So I started on freshly washed and blow dried hair. I used the Miche Beauty Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter, then used the Wet Line Extreme to smooth down any flyaways. I used the Murray's Edge Wax at the root to make sure that it was smooth. So Amazon is bae, because I bought this hair off of Amazon for $20 and I got 4 packs of 30 strands of this pre-twisted hair. It comes in a variety of different lengths, but I bought the 8-inch one and then just stretched it out. I really love how it has natural ends because it really makes a difference when you get down to the bottom and you have that really pretty coil that you don't have to force. My style used 34 pieces, so technically I can probably do this about 3 more times, which you really can't beat for $20. And so now I'm moving on to the installation. So I have my natural hair piece and the extension. I lay the center of the extension across the top of the section, and then I use my finger to split that section in half. I use my thumb and my pointer finger to pinch the back split piece and the extension behind the first knuckle. Then I grab the remaining piece from the section and then pull it across to make a Y shape. Now I have 3 pieces: the extension, my hair in the extension, and my hair only. So now you grab the extension only piece, or the front arm of the Y, and swing it under the back arm, or the blended piece. Then you pull the piece that you went under down to make a new stem. Repeat the same pattern, swinging the front arm under the back arm and moving it to the opposite side for about a 1/2 inch. Once you get to that point, you can begin twisting. You have the same 3 sections: your hair only, the blended piece, and the extension only piece. You'll blend the piece that only has your hair into the piece that is only the extension. Then you pinch the 2 sections and roll them individually before twisting them together. This method is technically more of a rope twist, but I find that it really helps to keep the twist from unraveling. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps until I finish my hair. And there you have it, an easy spring twist installation. I love these twists, they're so natural, very lightweight, and was easy to do. I hope this video helped you guys, and if so, please like, subscribe, and leave comments for me.